Step into the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a trip computer, heated seats, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.